Who am I talking to?
This is brother Baji Wabina out of ATL, Atlanta, Georgia, USA. And I'm here in the place to be, you know, Kumasi, Ghana, Africa. About to head on to Elmina, Cape Coast. You know what I mean? Get the spirit cleansed. You know, get that 500 years of trauma. Get rid of that. Get purified in back the Atlantic Ocean. You know. But yeah, I'm here at Kumasi, man. You know.
So what has been your experience so far, brother?
Experience been wonderful. It's been beautiful. Yeah, everything's been lovely. You know, it's a mind-changing experience. You know, I learned a lot. You know about the African people, the culture, and I learned a lot about myself. You know what I mean? So it's been a life-changing experience. And I'm appreciative of that.
Right. So what's the message, brother? The message.
The message. I mean, the message. Message is, always learn. Always live to learn. You know what I'm saying? Learn who you are. Learn who people are. You know, learn about your spirituality. You know what I mean? Just keep learning. The more you learn, you know what I'm saying? You know, the more better you're gonna be off. You know, the more you know, like I said, about the world. You know, about everything around you. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
You know what I mean, like I said, most importantly, know more a lot about you. You know what I'm saying? So that's my message.
All right. Are you gonna advise your brothers and sisters out there to have an experience next year?
Oh yeah, no doubt, no doubt. I would love to get as many brothers and sisters as possible to come through. You know what I mean? And experience this right here. Because it is really it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, man.
That's right.
How many of us really gonna have the chance to really go back home and see what it was like before we got shipped out, across the seas, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Some 500 years. So, yeah, I mean, I encourage any brother and sister, if you got the means, you willing, you able, you know what I mean, go ahead and just make a trip. Make a trip to Ghana, not Ghana, just at least Africa. Shoot, at least go to the Caribbean somewhere, you know what I mean? Because, we was all up in there, so,
That's right, brother. That's right.
So all day, every day. All day, every day.
Respect.